Hello everyone, my name is Shivam and welcome to the fourth video of Apache Tomcat server C. So in this video, we're going to see how you can change the port number of Apache Tomcat server. So the port number which you have assigned at the time of the installation and this port number, your Apache Tomcat server is running. So and second thing, we're going to see how you can change the login username and password for your console manager app. Okay, so now coming to the first part, which is changing the port number of your Apache Tomcat server service. Okay, for this you need to open the Tomcat home folder, then go to the conf folder, then to the server.xml file. Okay, before going to this section, let me show you how it is affecting if your port number which you have given for the Apache Tomcat server is already busy. Okay, so prior to this, I have already changed the port number to the port number which is already occupied by other services. Okay, now I'm opening the starting my Apache Tomcat server. So you're going to find one exception here, protocol handler initialization failed, and the cause of this exception is address already in use. So if you are getting this kind of exception, you need to understand that the port number which you have assigned for the Apache Tomcat server is already in use by other services. So you need to change your port number. Okay, so for this you need to go to this Apache Tomcat home, then to the conf folder. Here you're going to find this server.xml file. You need to open this file. Okay, so here you're going to find this connector port, connector tag. In this you're going to find this port attribute. So this port number which I have changed it earlier to show you the exception, now I'm changing it to the 8080. Now save the changes, close the file. Now again go to the bin folder and start your Tomcat server. Okay, so now you're not going to find any exceptions like in the previous case. Okay, and your server is started perfectly. Now coming to the second part, which is changing the login username and password for your console manager app. So to do that, let me just open my browser. Okay, so here I'm just opening my console, which is with the address localhost 8080. Okay, so my console is started. You're going to find the manager app. So here you need to pass your username and password, which is admin and admin password. I'm pressing OK. So my manager, okay, so application manager console is open, and here we're going to find the different web application which you have deployed. So I have no application which I have deployed at current. So I'm just going back. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close my server one time, and I want to change my username and password. How you can do that? For this, the procedure is going to the Tomcat home, then go to the conf folder, then go to the tomcat-user.xml file and modify your username and password from this user tag. Okay, so now I'm opening the conf folder, then go to the tomcat-users file. You're going to find the user tag, this user tag, and inside this you're going to find the username and password attributes. I'm changing this username and password to the admin1 and admin1. Okay, now I'm saving the changes, save it, close it. Now again go back, start your Tomcat server. Okay, server starting, server started. Now again go to the console, again open your localhost 8080. Okay, so now I'm taking here, giving the, I'm trying to give my old username and password, which is admin. And so in this condition, it is not accepting my old username and password. Here I need to provide my new username and password, which is admin1 and admin1. Now press OK. So this Tomcat web server application manager is opening. So this is how you can change your uh, login username and password for your application manager. Okay, so this is, we have seen in this video how you can change the port number of your Apache Tomcat server service, and secondly how you can change the login username and password of your application manager. So thank you for watching this video.